Hi guys, today we're going to be teaching you how to make this plywood mirror. So first I started with a 1/2 inch plywood and I cut it 12 inches across and then 17.5 inches long. And I'm just going to, from the top of the board, I'm going to measure down 6 inches and then I'm going to measure across 6 inches. Then I'm going to take a screw and just drill it partway through at the mark that I made. Then I'm going to take a piece of string and tie a loop in one end. And then I'm going to measure it and tie another loop to try to get exactly 6 inches from one end of one loop to the end of the other loop. Once you have it measured just right, you can loop one end around the screw and then put a pencil in the other end and draw your semicircle around the board. Once you have your semicircle drawn, you can remove the screw and then you can clamp this to the end of a work table or a bench and use a jigsaw to cut out the round part. Then you can just sand down all of the rough edges. Once you have the board cut and sanded, you're going to take a 10-inch mirror and apply an epoxy to the back of it and then center it on your board and leave it to dry according to the instructions.